In this video, I pick a very interesting problem about extrema. The problem is let k be a positive number and f of x be x natural log of x minus kx squared. Find the range of k such that f has no extrema. Okay, anyway, let's look the graph of f by moving k. Then, you can find that f has no extrema in the middle. Now, I start a brief observation about another function. Let g be x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus 1. In order to do the first derivative test, calculate g prime. G prime of x equals to 2x squared times 2x minus 3. So, because the solutions of g prime of x equals to 0 is x equals to 0 and 3 over 2, we get the table 1 and the graph of g. According to the table 1 and figure 2, g doesn't have a extremum at x equals to 0. Then, at a point where the first derivative is 0, what is the difference when a function has an extremum and when it doesn't have? See the table 1 again and focus on x equals to 0 and x equals to 3 over 2, which g prime is 0. You can find that the sign of g prime around x equals to 0 does not change, and the sign of g prime around x equals to 3 over 2 changes. So, I can conclude the following proposition. To have extrema, the sign of a first derivative must switch at its roots. Okay, now let's start today's problem. According to the earlier observation, I have to calculate f prime and f double prime. It is not so difficult. F prime of x equals natural log of x plus 1 minus 2kx and f double prime of x equals 1 over x minus 2k. So, the solution of f double prime of x equals 0 is x equal 1 over 2k. Because k is a positive number, we get the table 2. Then, to have no extrema, the sign of f prime of x must not switch at x equals 1 over 2k. In order to satisfy this condition, f prime of 1 over 2k is less than or equal to 0. This animation may help your understanding. This curve is a rough image of f prime of x. In the first and second case, f prime of 1 over 2k is less than or equal to 0. And in the last case, the sign of f prime of x changes. Finally, solve f prime of 1 over 2k is less than or equal to 0. Before solving this, recall f prime of x equals natural log of x plus 1 minus 2kx. Then, we get k is greater than or equal to 1 over 2. And its graph is this. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you to the next video.